Hello students. So I'm going to teach you how to go from an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. If you recall, the last page that we did was mixed to improper. So now we're going to go backwards, starting with the improper fraction. So I'm just going to use 11 over 5. 11 over 5. Okay. And I'm going to kind of go over that 5 in a different color because, I like to color code my things. Okay, so our 5 is represented by our denominator. And the 11 is represented by the numerator. But we're going to kind of break that numerator apart because the problem with improper fractions are the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and we don't want that. That's why it's improper. We always want the numerator smaller than the denominator. So, well, how do we fix that? Glad you asked. We'll let you know. So the first step is to divide or see how many times the denominator goes into the numerator. So we want to divide the denominator into the numerator. So I'm going to have my division house. Of course, the top always goes inside the house, and the bottom always goes outside the division house. So I want to see how many times 5 goes into 11. Well, 5 goes into 11 2 times, and 5 times 2 is 10, and I'm going to subtract. That's my next step, and when I subtract I get 1. Now the great thing about this is you don't need to keep continuing because we always teach y'all that we don't want a remainder. Well, when we do improper fractions to mixed numbers, we do want a remainder. So each one of these numbers that are in color stands for something. The 5, of course, is your denominator because the denominator never changes. It always stays the same. The green is your whole number. And the blue, which is the bottom part here, this is your numerator. Always what's left over is your numerator. Well, then how do we write this? So of course, when we're writing a mixed number, we write the whole number first. So our mixed fraction is 2 and 1/5. We have just converted from improper to mixed. Now, you should try. I'm going to give you 2 problems. Let's do, let's say 15/4, and let's do 12/8.